Do you want to make her crazy for you? In this video, you're going to learn something that might change the way you think about love and relationships. I encourage you to stick around and listen closely to what I'm going to tell you. You might be tempted to skip this video, but understanding the ideas I'm about to share is key to really benefiting from this discussion. Have you ever noticed how some women seem to dislike certain men, while others are totally drawn to them? If you think looks or money are the only reasons, think again. Many good-looking and rich men find it hard to truly connect with a woman. So, what's the real secret? It's simple. Men who are seen as high value know how to manage a woman's attention, sometimes by not paying attention to her at all. The truth is, a lot of men try too hard and seem desperate for a woman's attention. On the flip side, men who understand when to ignore a woman spark a powerful interest in them. Pay attention. Properly ignoring a woman can create a strong attraction. Women want attention, and when you don't give it to them all the time, you become more interesting, something a lot of men don't get. But there's a method to this, and by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do it yourself. Are you ready to dive into this intriguing topic? Let's get started and find out why high-value men sometimes choose to ignore women. 1. Be brave. Before you even think about ignoring her, you need the guts to approach her decisively. Men who are considered high value know that sitting back doesn't get them anywhere. They take charge of their own lives and relationships. They don't just wait around for things to happen. Remember, luck tends to follow the brave. It's important to approach a woman with confidence and a clear intent. Don't be scared of rejection or failure, as these are just parts of learning and growing. It's better to risk rejection than to regret never having tried at all. Always see every interaction as a chance to learn. High-value men understand that there are valuable lessons to be gained even in moments of rejection, which will aid them in improving for the future. Don't hesitate to take chances. Life is filled with opportunities for those who actively pursue them. Keep in mind that being bold is a quality that can lead you to experiences timidity never could. 2. Managing attention in the era of social media. Women often get a lot of attention from men on social media right from the start of their day, which can boost their confidence. But a high-value man knows that attention shouldn't be handed out carelessly. While he might initiate a conversation and form a basic connection, he understands the importance of limiting this free attention. He makes his presence known, yet treats her as if she's not the center of his world. This confuses the woman, making her wonder why he doesn't chase her like other men do. Consider this. Many men readily offer their attention at any time, but a high-value man saves it for important moments. By holding back immediate attention, you leave the woman curious about why you're different, why you don't offer the same affirmations she gets from others. This sparks her interest in gaining your attention, intrigued by your seeming indifference. However, this approach should not be seen as playing games. It's not about manipulation. A high-value man has significant ambitions and responsibilities, leaving no time to boost a woman's ego with constant social media interactions. Instead, he concentrates on meaningful pursuits, allowing the substance of his life to represent itself. Leave the trivial attentions to those who lack the same focus and drive. 3. Develop a bold attitude. Men who know their value and believe in their ability to attract women don't view women as unreachable or superior, but as equals. This bold attitude helps them stay relaxed and sure of themselves around women, which is highly appealing. Conversely, many men feel nervous and unsure around attractive women because they don't have this confidence. The secret to building this attitude is to develop real charm that comes from a strong self-belief. Picture yourself at the peak of your life, exuding power and assurance in every interaction. To foster this bold mindset, it's important to acknowledge and appreciate your own worth. Begin by improving every aspect of your life, physically, mentally, and emotionally. As you grow stronger and more developed as a person, you'll find it increasingly hard to feel frightened or overly impressed by any woman. 4. Don't encourage negative behavior. Men who hold themselves in high esteem understand the significance of steering clear of unnecessary arguments and conflicts. If a woman repeatedly tries to drag you into unreasonable fights, it's important to see this as a lack of respect and gratitude toward you. In such situations, it's better to step back and clearly show that you won't put up with such actions without repercussions. Resist the urge to provide the usual care and attention until she realizes her mistake and says, "Sorry." Keeping your cool and not reacting emotionally is crucial, as showing emotion might make you seem weak, and that's not appealing. Instead, remain calm and collected, and if you need to respond, do it briefly and thoughtfully. Often staying quiet can be more powerful than saying too much, so don't hesitate to use silence as a tactic. 5. Engaged with a meaningful mission. A man of high value has significant ambitions and is committed to achieving them. His concentration and drive are so intense that he doesn't waste time on trivial flirtations or superficial relationships. Instead, he channels his energy into creating a life that makes him proud. He doesn't just sit back and wait for good fortune. He actively makes things happen. He's proactive, productive, and distinguishes himself from other men who constantly shower women with attention. For such a man, engaging in meaningful activities, maintaining his physical health, and keeping fit are crucial aspects of his lifestyle. These factors also enhance his charm. Think of winning a woman's heart as a battle where your strengths are your weapons. A successful life, a healthy body, and an appealing presence are tools that a high-value man employs to shine and attract women. Our channel offers plenty of advice on how to boost your appeal and find your purpose. Dive in and discover the motivation you need to craft the life you're meant to have. 6. Mastering self-sufficiency. Learning to enjoy your own company is crucial. Men of high value are not afraid of being alone. They see it as an opportunity for deep thought and self-improvement. They know their worth isn't determined by whether they're in a relationship, and they don't look for a woman to affirm their value. They are self-assured and complete on their own, and this inner completeness and confidence are highly appealing. This doesn't mean they don't appreciate companionship. They do, but they recognize the difference between wanting a woman in their life and needing one. They seek a partner who enhances their life, not one who fills a void. As a result, they are choosy about their relationships, opting only for those that align with their high standards. 7. Value clarity and straightforwardness. Men of high value prioritize direct and clear communication with women. They steer clear of ambiguous statements and avoid behaving just as friends. They also refrain from using too many emojis or casual language in their messages. Authenticity is key, as is maintaining a masculine presence in every interaction. A high-value man is known for his brevity and precision. He avoids getting dragged into meaningless arguments or idle conversations. Leave those sorts of exchanges to those who are unsure of their worth. Always remember, it's better to face rejection and move on than to linger in a relationship that doesn't value you. When a woman plays games with a high-value man, He disregards her. This sends a clear signal that she must act properly and shows that he can find someone else if needed. Many men waste valuable time in toxic relationships destined to end poorly. Avoid that pitfall. Be choosy about your partners and don't spend your precious time on those who don't merit it. 8. Stick to your schedule. Men of high value realize the significance of their time. They lead busy lives filled with work, hobbies, friends, and goals. They don't cancel their plans just to meet an attractive woman. While it might seem appealing to be that accommodating, doing so implies she is your top priority, even before you really know her. A compelling man has his own commitments, and his schedule doesn't solely revolve around women. When she sees that your time is precious and not easily given, she'll understand that she must put in more effort to catch your attention. Instead of saying, "I'm free whenever you want," tell her, "I'm quite busy, but I'll try to make time to meet." This approach doesn't just sound more interesting, it also reflects your high value. Don't be too readily available. Show her that your time is important, and if she wants to be part of your life, she must respect it. Your value isn't determined by how much attention you get from others, but by your confidence and genuineness. 9. Cultivate resilience and adaptability. High-value men understand the significance of rebounding from setbacks and adjusting to shifting situations. They understand that life has its highs and lows, and they are prepared to manage them with poise and calmness. Instead of crumbling under pressure, they use challenges as opportunities to grow stronger and wiser. By cultivating resilience, they maintain their course without losing focus on their goals, no matter what life throws at them. This trait not only makes them more attractive, but also shows that they are dependable and stable, qualities that are highly sought after in any relationship. 10. Practice gratitude and positivity. Men of high value understand that a positive attitude and gratitude for what they have can significantly impact their outlook on life and interactions with others, including women. They focus on the good in their lives and in the people around them, which makes them more pleasant and enjoyable to be around. This approach not only enhances their own life satisfaction, but also attracts others who value positivity and are drawn to their uplifting presence. Practicing gratitude helps them see beyond momentary attractions and focus on building meaningful and lasting connections. 11. Develop effective communication skills. High-value men understand the power of clear, confident and respectful communication. They know how to express their thoughts and feelings in a way that is both direct and considerate, ensuring that their messages are understood without causing unnecessary conflict. This ability to communicate effectively helps them build strong connections with others, demonstrating that they are both thoughtful and capable leaders in any relationship. They listen actively to others, showing genuine interest and empathy, which makes them more approachable and admired by those around them. This skill is crucial not only in personal relationships, but also in maintaining professional and social networks. 12. Maintain a balanced lifestyle. High-value men prioritize a well-rounded life, balancing work, personal interests, health, and relationships. They understand that neglecting any aspect can lead to dissatisfaction and stress. By managing their time wisely and ensuring they engage in activities that enrich their mind, body, and spirit, they maintain their vitality and appeal. This balance makes them more attractive and intriguing, as it shows they are not only driven by their ambitions, but also cherish other parts of life, making them well-rounded and stable individuals. This approach not only enhances their personal well-being, but also makes them more desirable and reliable partners. I encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. This channel supports you on your path to personal growth, whether it's in your relationships or professional life. My aim is to equip you with the tools and insights you need to progress in every aspect of your life. Together, we can learn and flourish. Thank you for spending your time with me. Join me in the next video as we continue to delve into topics that empower us to achieve our greatest potential. I truly hope you found this video valuable. A big shout out to you for watching till the end. It shows your commitment to self-improvement. If you found the video helpful, please leave a comment. If you're not sure what to say, simply comment, "High value man," so I know you've watched it all. Haven't subscribed yet? What are you waiting for? Subscribe now and become part of our community. Thanks for watching. Until next time.